Welcome to Auto Car, your trusted source for in-depth automotive reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Etios, focusing on its exterior and interior design, performance, history, pricing, and features. The 2025 Toyota Etios marks a significant departure from its predecessors, embracing a more aggressive and futuristic aesthetic. The front fascia is dominated by a bold hexagonal grille, flanked by sharp, angular LED headlights that enhance its assertive stance. Sculpted body lines not only add to its visual appeal but also improve aerodynamics. The floating roof design creates an illusion of a larger, more premium vehicle, while distinctive C-shaped taillights wrap around the rear quarters, completing the modern look. Available in both sedan and hatchback variants, the Etios caters to diverse consumer preferences. Stepping inside, the Etios offers a spacious and refined cabin that belies its compact exterior. The dashboard features a dual-tone gray and ivory design, complemented by new seat materials that enhance comfort. A 10-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto takes center stage, providing seamless connectivity. The digital instrument cluster offers customizable displays, while ambient lighting with multiple color options adds a touch of sophistication. Climate-controlled seats, a segment-first feature, ensure comfort in all weather conditions. High-quality, sustainable materials are used throughout the cabin, elevating the overall feel and positioning the Etios as a premium offering in its segment. Under the hood, the 2025 Etios offers a range of powertrain options to suit various driving preferences. The hybrid electric variant pairs a 1.5-liter Atkinson cycle engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 114 horsepower and an estimated fuel efficiency of 27 km/h. For those seeking an all-electric experience, there's a variant equipped with a 40 kWh battery pack, offering a range of up to 350 km on a single charge and fast charging capability that replenishes 80% of the battery in just 30 minutes. Additionally, a conventional 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine is available, producing 110 horsepower and 140 Nm of torque, paired with either a 6-speed manual or CVT transmission. The Toyota Etios was first introduced in 2010, primarily targeting emerging markets like India and Brazil. Over the years, it gained a reputation for reliability and practicality. The 2025 reimagining of the Etios represents a bold departure from its earlier conservative design, aligning with Toyota's latest design language and incorporating advanced technologies to meet the evolving needs of modern consumers. Positioned as a premium compact car, the 2025 Etios targets young professionals and small families desiring a feature-rich, efficient, and technologically advanced vehicle without stepping into the midsize segment. Estimated pricing varies by region, with the conventional petrol variant starting from 8.5 lakh rupees, the hybrid variant from 11 lakh rupees, and the all-electric variant from 13.5 lakh rupees. These competitive price points, coupled with Toyota's reputation for reliability and low maintenance costs, make the Etios an attractive proposition in the compact car segment. In terms of features, the Etios comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes a pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, automatic high beams, road sign assist, and a blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. Connectivity features include Toyota Connected Services with 5G connectivity, over-the-air updates for vehicle software and infotainment systems, and integrated AI assistant for voice-controlled functions, a smartphone app for remote vehicle control and monitoring, and integration with smart home devices. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Etios represents a bold reimagining of what a compact car can be. By combining advanced technology, electrification, premium features, and Toyota's legendary reliability, the new Etios is poised to make a significant impact in the global automotive market.